Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for parking lots or parking opportunities on the My BMW application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on this map icon down below, which is the second option, and after that click on the parking button at the top below the search bar. And here you will be able to see all of the available parking lots and parking options where you can park displayed on the map with this P icon. So they are indicated with this P icon, and here down below you can also see them in more details. If you tap on them, you can check out the exact location, opening hours, the prices, service information, and how many available. As you can see, in this case 14 out of 65 is available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.